Hello students, today we are going to start with our GK Planet book, lesson number 21, famous scientist at page number 34. A scientist is someone who conducts scientific research to advance knowledge in an area of interest. In modern times, many scientists have advanced degrees in an area of science. Before starting this chapter, let's have a look on some difficult words. The first one is development, the process of creating something more advanced. The next is research, a detailed study of something to find out more information about it. The next word is encouragement, to make someone more likely due to something. The next word is island, a piece of land that is surrounded by water. The next is continent, one of the earth's large land masses. Now come to the page number 34. Let's start reading from top of the page. You must have heard about Sir Isaac Newton, Guglielmo Marconi or Albert Einstein. They all are famous scientists from Europe. In previous chapter, we have studied about Sir Isaac Newton invented the laws of motion. Guglielmo Marconi discovered the first practical radio. Albert Einstein discovered the theory of relativity. Have you heard the name of any scientist of Australia? Well, Australia has given a lot of encouragement for the development and research work in the field of science. Students, have you heard about the different scientists of Australia who have made a lot of development in the field of science? So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the famous scientist of Australia. Before starting this chapter, let's have a look on some famous scientists of India. The first one is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his work on scattering of the light. He was the first Asian to receive any Nobel Prize in the sciences. The next one is Jagdish Chandra Bose. J.C. Bose was a man of many talents. He was a physicist, biologist and botanist. He made contribution to the study of plants. He invented crescograph to measure the growth of plants. The next one is APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian scientist who worked as an aerospace engineer with Indian Space Research Organization. He is also called Missile Man of India. He received many prestigious awards including the Bharat Ratna Award, India's highest civilian honor. As we have discussed about famous scientists of India, now let's have a look on some famous scientists of Australia. The first picture is of Bernard Kutz. He was born in Germany. He was a physician, a person who is trained in the art of healing, and shared Nobel Prize in Physiology and known for his work on nervous system, which means system of nerves that carry messages to and from the brain. The next one is of Graham Clark. He was an Australian professor at the University of Melbourne. He was a researcher who helped to develop the bionic ear, which means a surgically implanted hearing aid. Next picture is of Frank Fanner. He was an expert in the study of virus, a very small living thing that causes disease in animals, plants, and humans, and also helped in eradication, means to remove of smallpox, a serious disease that causes high temperature and leaves mark on the skin, and rabbit plague, which means a strange disease caused by wild rabbits. The next picture is of Isabel Bennett. She was an Australia's best known marine biologist. Biologist means a person who has specialized knowledge in the field of biology. She also did research on marine life or sea life. The next picture is of Dorothy Hill. She was the first female professor at an Australian university and first female president of Australian Academy of Science. As we have discussed about the famous scientists of Australia, now let's have a recall. First picture is of Bernard Kutz, Nobel Prize winner in physiology and known for his work on nervous system. The next one is Graham Clark, researcher who helped to develop bionic ear. The next one is Frank Fanner, a person who helped in eradication of smallpox and rabbit plague. The next picture is of Isabel Bennett. She did research on marine life or sea animals. The next one is Dorothy Hill, first female professor at Australian University. I hope students you all have understood this chapter, revise it and learn it thoroughly and do the worksheet given in the SNAP homework. Thank you.